Speak version equals 1.0 XML, lang equals ENUS. Voice name equals NUSRE neural. Prosody rate equals -5%, pitch equals -3 Hz. Okay, quick thing before we start. So I tried this trending 800W soldering hot for a bit and hey race what I noticed. Honestly, emphasis level equals moderate / emphasis didn't feel cheap at all. The more I used it, the more it made sense. It break time equals 180 ms / actually made daily stuff easier. I expected it to be more expensive. I left the product link in the description. /prosody /voice /speak